Welcome to Live Healthy Every Day, your go-to channel for practical tips on health, wellness, and living your best life, especially for our amazing senior community. Are you looking to lose stubborn belly fat, feel lighter, and wake up each day feeling energized? Here's a simple but powerful habit that can truly transform your mornings and your body. Today, I'm revealing 6 easy-to-make natural morning drinks that can help you flatten your belly, boost metabolism, and promote healthy fat burning, especially if you're looking to shed weight safely and naturally. And the best part? All it takes is 1 glass every morning for just 10 days to begin seeing results. Let's dive right in. First up, warm lemon water. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. Lemon water is loaded with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and fights inflammation. It also helps alkalize the body, supports liver function, and kickstarts digestion. For seniors, proper digestion is key to nutrient absorption and weight management. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning not only refreshes you, but also reduces bloating and promotes natural detoxification. Add a slice of fresh ginger for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Next, honey and lemon, a natural fat-burning duo. Take your lemon water a step further by adding a teaspoon of raw honey. This simple addition does more than sweeten the drink. It activates fat-burning enzymes and gives your body a gentle energy boost without the crash. Honey has been used in natural medicine for centuries. It's rich in antioxidants and has mild antimicrobial properties that can soothe your gut and enhance digestion. For seniors who often have sensitive stomachs, this drink provides a gentle cleanse while keeping energy levels stable. Now, apple cider vinegar water, the metabolism booster. ACV contains acetic acid, which is known to reduce belly fat and suppress appetite. To make this, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a large glass of water. You can add a few drops of lemon juice or a bit of honey for flavor. Studies suggest regular consumption of ACV can help stabilize blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and enhance fat oxidation, all of which contribute to a flatter belly over time. Important: always dilute ACV. Never drink it straight, as it can harm tooth enamel and irritate the throat. Ginger tea, your digestive hero. If you experience indigestion, bloating, or nausea, ginger tea is a must-try. Slice a few pieces of fresh ginger, boil in water for 5 to 10 minutes, and sip it warm. Ginger improves circulation, metabolism, and helps reduce inflammation, a key contributor to weight gain and chronic disease. It also suppresses appetite naturally and gives your metabolism a kickstart. For seniors, this is especially helpful because metabolism tends to slow down with age. Pair this with light stretching or a morning walk and feel your body respond with energy and vitality. Cucumber and mint water, hydrating and refreshing. Cucumbers are made up of over 90% water, making them an ideal ingredient for hydration. When infused with mint, this drink becomes a powerful digestive aid. Mint soothes the stomach and reduces gas and bloating, while cucumber cools the body and supports liver detoxification. To prepare, slice half a cucumber, add a handful of mint leaves, and let it sit in water overnight. Drink it in the morning for a refreshing, belly-flattening beverage. Staying hydrated helps your metabolism work efficiently and aids in the breakdown of fat cells. The ultimate detox water, a natural cleanse. Combine the best of everything in 1 glass: cucumber, lime, ginger, and mint, infused in a pitcher of water overnight. This all-in-one detox water is like a reset button for your body. Each ingredient works together to flush out toxins, support digestion, boost metabolism, and reduce inflammation. Drinking this first thing in the morning helps cleanse your system, improve bowel movements, and promote overall fat loss, especially around the abdominal area. So there you have it, 6 simple morning drinks that can help you burn belly fat, feel energized, and support healthy aging. Whether you choose lemon water or a full detox blend, consistency is the key. Start tomorrow morning. Choose one, commit for 10 days. Your body will thank you. Don't forget to pair these drinks with a balanced diet, light exercise, good sleep, and a positive mindset. Remember, wellness is a journey, not a race. Subscribe to Live Healthy Every Day for more health tips, natural remedies, and senior-friendly wellness advice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below. Let me know which drink you'll try first, or share your own morning ritual. Until next time, stay well, stay vibrant, and live healthy every day.
Drinking one healthy beverage in the morning is a fantastic start, but real lasting transformation comes from combining this habit with other healthy routines. Here are some simple, senior-friendly practices that can take your results to the next level. Pair your drink with 5 to 15 minutes of light movement, stretching, yoga, or a short walk outside. Movement first thing in the morning improves blood flow, activates fat-burning hormones, and sets a positive tone for the day. Try walking around your home while sipping your detox water. After your drink and movement, aim to eat within 30 to 60 minutes. A balanced breakfast stabilizes blood sugar and prevents cravings later in the day. Great choices include oatmeal with chia seeds and berries, scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes, and Greek yogurt with a handful of nuts. Protein is especially important for seniors because it supports muscle retention, which directly impacts your metabolism. You know, many seniors struggle with sleep, but honestly, poor sleep is a major contributor to belly fat and hormonal imbalance. When you don't sleep well, your cortisol, which is your stress hormone, levels rise, and hunger hormones like ghrelin increase. Plus, your fat-storing mechanisms just stay active. Try a calming herbal tea like chamomile or lemon balm before bed, and really aim for 7 to 9 hours of rest each night. Chronic stress leads to high cortisol levels, which are directly linked to abdominal fat. Daily practices like meditation, breathing exercises, and gratitude journaling can, reduce stress and improve fat metabolism. Mental health is metabolic health, so give your mind the same care you give your body. Everyone's body is different. What works for one person may not work exactly the same for another. If lemon water feels too acidic, try cucumber and mint water instead. If apple cider vinegar gives you heartburn, reduce the amount or switch to ginger tea. If you're on medication, check with your doctor before introducing new ingredients, especially apple cider vinegar or ginger, which may interact with certain medications. Always track how your body responds. Look for signs like reduced bloating, improved digestion, better energy, and a lighter mood. When you start your mornings with mindful choices, you can truly transform